Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut templates on PC or on laptop. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google CapCut and you need to open the first website. So once you are here, you simply need to click on templates on the top left. And if you want, you can search template as well. So here you can see different videos template and image template as well. So let's suppose I want to use this template, so you simply need to click on that and you can see different options. You can use two clips to use this template and you can see aspect ratio and how many people use this, and then you simply need to click on use this template. And now you can see it will open an editor for me, and I need to replace the clips and simply export that. So this is the process by which you can use CapCut templates on PC or on laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.